Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record slow motion videos on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the camera on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on more. Now from here, as you can see, there is the option for slow-mo. Just tap on slow-mo and it will go to the slow-mo option. Now from here, you can record slow-mo videos. Just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the gallery app on your smartphone, you can find the slow-mo video we have just recorded. Just like that. And this is how you can record slow motion videos on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.